Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Auntie Studios. A primary color line is here, and we can't wait for you to get your hands on it.
Yeah.
We're remixing the princess mix.
We are. We picked all new colors. We picked a better lineup.
Our exclusive mixes are dreamed up by our team, mixed and packaged by hand here in the USA. These sparkling mix assortments hold different hues of the same color in a variety of stone sizes ranging from teeny tiny to large and in charge, which will adhere to most, if not all, surfaces when paired with the right glue. We recommend E6000 glue that you can get in our Amazon store here. Link. Handcrafted mixes contain 3,500 plus gems. Check out our Bling series on YouTube if you want to see just what you can do with it.
OM goodness. This is gonna be Cinderella. Oh my gosh, I'm dying right now.
So I'm picking out all the pinks and purples from the Rapunzel to put in to see if we like it in Ariel.
And then we also did 4 different mixes to test them out. So, and then I don't even like it.
I think I already know what I love.
I think I do too.
Okay, we'll say it at the same time, but wait, I wanna.
But now I'm seeing this one. I don't know.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Auntie Studios. Okay, so I want to introduce myself. My name is Tiffany. I don't even know where my camera is on here. And what I do is all things products for Auntie. So today I'm working on our Princess Bling line. It is absolutely stunning, but there's a lot of behind the scenes stuff that we have to do before we can make this a live product. And so come here, let me take you guys into the warehouse really quick. Follow moi. Okay, so this is the actual warehouse where we do keep all the product, finish, projects, just everything that we need. This is the Princess line of bling. I have my phone cord because I'm getting low. But I want to vlog all this stuff for you guys today. So right now, as you guys can see, the bling are in these orange containers, and I don't love them, especially while we're photographing them. So what I'm going to do is I went to Target and I got these awesome clear locking bins, and they're just going to make our photography over the top really pretty. The orange isn't going to take away from any of the bling colors. So first step is transferring the bling into those containers and photographing it, and I'll bring you guys along for that part too. So let's go. Check out the difference. So orange containers, clear containers. It doesn't take away from the color, you know? Step 2, now that everything's transferred into its bin, we're gonna photograph. So I have Tiana right here. We are set up right in front of this window. The natural light is the best way to photograph any product that you have. I don't care what you're photographing. And this is what she looks like. And I'm gonna capture some really amazing shots. Behind the scenes photographing, got my tilt going on, and then just really trying to capture the color. Do you see how it just so easily changes? So this is like the true to life color, and then the closer you get, it pulls in all the greens, then you see the blues. So it's really important. It actually takes hours to capture the correct photo colors. She's beautiful.
We got Briley here today.
Are we vlogging?
I'm vlogging, but I wanted to talk to you guys about the new princesses. So All right, you guys ready for Tiana?
Oh my
Okay.
gosh, Tiana's my favorite.
Tiana is genuinely one of my faves. Also because it's new, so there's some new
like
stones.
that they have the colored back.
Yeah, they have well, that's only some of the stones have a naked back, but they are still glass stones. They're not like jelly stones, but they do have naked backs. But they have this really beautiful like frosted green in them, and it's just so stunning.
Tiana is my favorite like movie and character.
Is it?
Yeah.
I know. All right, here is Belle. Belle used to only have 2 stones in it, a beautiful yellow iridescent and the clear Duchess. But we also added one more type of yellow. Let me see if I can find just the individual one. It's an AB champagne colors there. Dun, 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 dun. Here's an oopsie mix. This was going to be Pocahontas. Let's see if I can get to focus. But we really hated the neon orange. It actually wasn't supposed to be that color. It's supposed to be a little softer orange. And it's a really fun mix, but it's just not correct for Pocahontas. So I cannot wait to show you what we actually did with Pocahontas. But now we're waiting on a extra stone color. But this is still very fun. So this will be available in our oopsie box that will come out soon. Yeah. All right, you guys ready for Rapunzel? I love Rapunzel.
Oh my gosh.
It is
It literally just looks
like Rapunzel.
like, yeah. Like Rapunzel.
Right? Rapunzel has floating lanterns in it, which I'm obsessed with because obviously I named that stone after her in the beginning. But now it's just complete because it has all of her beautiful colors. We're making sure our mixes are perfect, like exactly what we want before we release them. You want to see our new Cinderella?
Yeah.
I want to get it.
What?
Isn't it perfect?
That is that is so cool.
Right?
Oh my gosh.
It's perfect. It's so stunningly Cinderella.
Seriously.
Right? When I saw these stones that were more frosted, I instantly needed to have them in the mix. And then we added the pure white to this mix because of her glass slippers. And it's just beautiful. It's actually not a pure white. It's a pure white, but it has a little bit of AB coating. So it gives off a white vibe, but it's a cool tone white vibe. And it's just so Cinderella. So this is the blue Aurora. Make it blue. Oh, that's a good shot right there.
Oh, it's so, I love when it fades.
Right? Sick.
Well, here's the Make It Pink if you're sticking
And
on
then
with the...
here's Make It Pink, which is still very similar to what it looked like before. But we thought Aurora needed both of her colors represented. So this is Pocahontas. And oh my gosh, she's amazing.
So pretty.
Oh, she's so pretty.
Yes.
I am too.
It's more gorgeous. I'm so glad we redid it.
Yeah.
She was a labor of love, you guys.
So she's got these like beautiful foresty fall colors, but then also these teal like earthy rock colors.
And we were inspired by her turquoise necklace.
Yes, this is like her necklace, and these are like her dress, and then this is more like her hair, and it's just so pretty. I'm obsessed with it.
Today is jarring day. So I'm going into the studio. It's my little workstation. So we have all these to jar. This is our brand new Pixar line. She's gorgeous, all primary colors. And then our last 2 princesses, Pocahontas, so pretty. So I have to jar all these today. Here are my labeled jars. Follow along.
in the warehouse. We have a new helper today. What happened to you?
Rollerblading.
Yikes. They are packaging Cinderella.
Cinderella.
What do you think of our new Cinderella color?
It's very pretty.
Is it pretty? Different than the other ones.
Good morning, everybody. It's another day in the studio. Tay's upstairs doing meetings, and I am down here getting Bling organized. So what's going on today is these have all been organized. This is our new Princess line and Duchess restock. They need to be shrink wrapped, so they're all set up, jarred, all that. Look how beautiful they are. And then I'm mixing our new reimagined Pixar line and two new princesses.
The new mix is with Pocahontas.
Oh wait, they're literally every princess.
Yeah.
That's so cute. Oh, and we added the 2B ones.
2B?
Or the B one.
Like it has these green,
Oh, that's hecka cute. Oh, I'm obsessed with that one.
right?
Pretty.
Oh, I love that one.
Tiff's getting ready to send these off to the warehouse.
Oh, I'm so excited.
The shipping department.
The shipping department is in full swing, and I'm so excited for you guys to see these on the 28th. They're gorgeous. But this is the final step. But today we did all the shrink wrap, and that took forever. I want to print out all of the recipes and put them up. I want to put recipes on here.
Okay.
And then, like I said, these are all the aerials we imagined up, and a little something something for later.
Something, something.
And photographs are done with what we have that's ready.
Right. I'm excited.
Like, honestly, when people see this, we probably have been working on this for the last 2 months by the time you actually see this go live. So
Right.
it's pretty insane. You don't really think there's that much behind it, but there really is.
Right. A lot.
It's a whole production.